Now, what if I want to resize my couch? I can zoom in, zoom out with my two fingers, but what if I want to enter its exact dimension using, for example, my disto? What I do is I select the couch and then I tap on the info button. We have a new window that pops up and we call that window the attributes. For example, there I can change the size of my couch. Some objects can have more sophisticated attributes. Let me show you with the switch. I select the switch and tap the info button. There you see, I can specify, for example, the circuit number. I can specify the type of the switch. I can change the number of ways, etc. In magicplan, not only the objects can have attributes, but also the walls can have attributes. I select the wall, I tap info. Also, the room can have attributes. And there you see, I can change, for example, the name of the room. I'm going to rename it my room. I can change the ceiling height. Also, the floors can have attributes. In this section, I can change the interior and exterior wall thickness. I can change the ceiling height for all the rooms. At last, the whole property can have attributes. In this section, I can change the address and I can geolocalize, or I can access the statistics. As you can see, for the entire property per floor, per room, we know the surface of the walls with or without the openings. We know the perimeter of the floor, the perimeter of the ceiling, etc., etc. We even have a list of all the objects in the floor plan.